Wow, what's up, wonderful people? I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel at Moses the Journalist. Yeah, today is another gift, another precious day that the Lord has given to us, and we really have to say thank you for the gift of Lord that He has given to us, that we haven't paid for it. Or have you paid?
No. I don't have that man.
You don't have that? Yeah, guys, we are here with this guy here. This is also meet Seth here, Seth Adventures.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here, and actually we are heading somewhere at this particular moment. And we saw it wise to begin our video here in the village, yeah, before we reach the place that we are going, because we don't want to reach that place and then we say, oh, we are here.
We are here.
Yeah, we want
so
to.
You know, those people can say these people, they take this video from somebody.
Yeah, we want to say that, okay, we will begin it here, then we reach there, then we also give you an overview of the same. So today is gonna be a fun, and it's gonna be a great day to us, and a special day. That one is Achieng. Yeah.
Achieng.
Why are you hiding? I think he's hiding. He's hiding somewhere here. Yeah. This one is okay. Let me say a courtesy of who? Nyasuba supported you. Yeah. In her schooling, and she managed to finish high school. Yeah. Wow. So guys, let us catch up. We are going to Rongo town. We are going also to meet another guy there. We are going to meet also Fred. And we're going to be 3 people. We're going somewhere very, very interesting and very, very fantastic. Yeah. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. We're going to catch up.
Set adventure.
We still don't have a bike. We are still walking.
We are still walking.
But there's no problem.
Yeah,
we are using here.
We are using our foot to go and up to where the vehicles of the motorbikes are here are passing. Yeah. When we are going to take.
And then we go to
Rongo. We go to Rongo town.
Yeah.
You know, I will be happy when I reach Rongo town. Yes. Yeah. It is like that.
This is the bridge. Yeah. You can see Seth is in the front part of it. He's crossing the bridge.
So when you are afraid, you cannot pass here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Those who are afraid cannot pass because this other side has been put here for someone can hold, but this other side no one has put. They have not beaten yet one.
Yeah, they are not beaten yet. To take some fish here.
Some fish, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not running with the dog this time around.
They're not running with the dog. You know the people they are running because they are saying that you need to walk.
Yeah.
So you are not supposed to take the fish inside the river. And the fish which is inside here is not for somebody.
Yeah, this one is from
this is
God.
For free.
Yeah. Yeah, wonderful people. Let us catch up in Rongo town. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, so we are here at Riverbank restaurant. Yeah, and this was the specific place that we were coming at. Yeah, and here is Mr. Seth Adventure, and also with the other guy here, Mr. Fred. Yeah, so actually we are waiting for something to be put on table here, and then we begin our what?
This is our lunch.
Our lunch, you know? Yeah, we want to take lunch at this particular restaurant. Though the music is not interfering with us, we don't want to also interfere with the people within that have put the music, because this is their restaurant and it may give us a copyright of the same. Yeah, so stay tuned to watching this video. May God bless you. Yeah, guys, so here we were still waiting for the meal to be brought, and it has been brought here. We have not unsealed it. It has been sealed. You can see this is a food, and also here our guy here Seth, and finally Fred also has ACA, which is kind of different from ours. Yeah, and also there are sodas here, the drinks. Yeah, so we wanna start enjoying our meal. Wow, so I got chicken. Seth also got chicken, and then Fred got mutton. Is it called mutton? Mutton. Yeah. Mutton is the meat of the goat. Yeah, so guys, we wanna start eating right away. Yeah, so you also enjoy in the video. If you're watching us enjoy eating, you also enjoy while watching.
Yes.
Guys, we wanna go straight to our eating. Yeah.
No praying.
They are already praying. You are starting with the
veggies.
The goat is real.
Grill?
Mutton is real.
Where's the salt?
Salt is here.
Huh? Is this salt?
Yeah. That is salt. This one is also salt. Don't put that.
That's salt. Which one?
Put this one.
Why are you giving me this one? Is this a salt?
This one is not salt.
Before you have to test, you know.
Yeah.
This one is testing sugar. This one is also salt. No problem. That is salt.
I have to test first. You know, I can put and I'm putting Filipino.
You don't need pepper? Accept adventure.
Don't put a lot.
Alright, but at the same time also
Yeah.
take it as you also sip the drink.
Huh? You want me to have this one as well? I'm going to put this on now. Aye. This is the life. There is no life, only this one. If you're waiting some other day to enjoy, there is no. Only this. This is the chance.
This is the chance.
Yeah.
Soda with ugali.
Moses, it means you are knowing this thing.
Soda with ugali.
Soda with ugali? Not ugali with the end. Soda with ugali?
That's soda with ugali.
No. It's ugali with the end.
Not with chicken.
They are giving me only
Not even marabou stock. They're giving you?
a boom. And you know, you are saying that they are going to give me boom here and there. You are the one who taking that.
You've been injured. You've injured.
They are injured. Because that's what I was waiting. Aye. The second day I'm going to take a goat.
Second time you change your mind.
I will not go. I will not take this one again. This one.
Yeah, this one is tasty and so nice.
You can
This one I'm fried.
So
So we call for another goat.
not a goat.
We call for mutton.
Yeah.
Can you call another one?
Not now. Let me finish with this one. I've never seen my life like this.
Because you're enjoying, huh?
Today's the day you're enjoying.
Today is like my, I don't know my birthday.
You know your birthday?
My mother knows.
Your mother knows.
I'm not so bad well. Aye. Then I want to try so that if I can fly up to my place without walking.
Not working.
I'll tell you. Aye. These people injured me. They injured me. I don't know.
Tell them to leave you maton.
They know what says.
Not maton.
Not now. If I could know, I could call this one. For friend, I can see this one, they are men.
What about mine?
Are you, they know you. They know Moses. This one? Yeah, this is Ogera. Remember that? How do you call Ogera in English?
I want to end it. I'm going to the video. The remaining to be out camera.
Your first child that you have.
Guys, so we're gonna take our leave. We have finally finished our meal eating. So this is Riverbank restaurant. Wow. Let me show you from outside also. Seth, you wanna open the gate for Fred, eh? Yeah. Welcome to Riverbank Resort. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I want to take this much opportunity to say thank you. We've really enjoyed our meal, our lunch, and we're taking our leave now. Bye bye.